Imagine making money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with family, all from something you built once. What if I told you that people around the world are turning simple digital files into full-time income streams with zero inventory or customer support? Today, we're diving into the world of digital products. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how everyday creators are building scalable online businesses from scratch. Before we jump in, let's take a second to understand why digital products have exploded in popularity recently. In a world where attention is currency and automation is everywhere, people are craving more control over their time, income, and creative freedom. Digital products give you exactly that. You can turn skills, ideas, or even hobbies into assets that generate real income without quitting your job or taking huge risks. Whether you're a designer, writer, teacher, or complete beginner, there's space for you in this digital economy. Let's start with the basics. Digital products are virtual goods that exist only online. Things like ebooks, templates, online courses, design assets, printables, and software tools. Unlike physical products, they don't require inventory, warehouses, or shipping. And once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again with almost no additional cost. So what makes digital products so attractive? One word: automation. When someone purchases your ebook or template at 2 a.m., they get it instantly. No action required on your end. That means your time is no longer directly tied to your income. Instead, you're building assets that work for you, even when you're offline. But let's be clear. Success doesn't come from uploading a random file and hoping for sales. You need strategy, positioning, and execution. So let's break it all down. First, what types of digital products are selling best right now? Ebooks are always in demand, especially beginner-friendly guides. Think how to start a freelance writing career or budgeting for creatives. People want clear, actionable advice, and they're willing to pay for knowledge that saves them time and frustration. Templates are another goldmine. Canva templates for Instagram posts, resume designs, and business documents help people look professional fast. Notion and ClickUp templates organize workflows, track habits, or manage projects. These save time, solve problems, and are easy to customize. A perfect recipe for sales. Online courses are booming too. If you can teach a skill, whether it's using ChatGPT, mastering digital marketing, or learning a coding language, you can package that knowledge into a course. Platforms like Teachable or Podia make this process straightforward. Printables continue to perform well. Think planners, journals, trackers, and activity sheets. These appeal to busy parents, students, small business owners, and more. And because they're downloadable PDFs, there's zero shipping involved. Creative assets like fonts, icon packs, Lightroom presets, and social media bundles are popular with content creators and designers. If you can make things that look good and save people time, you have a product worth selling. But here's where it gets even better. Newer digital product categories are exploding in popularity. Things like AI prompt packs for tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are selling like crazy. These are essentially copy-paste commands that help others get better results from AI tools. And they're selling for real money. Digital planners, especially those designed for tablets like the iPad, are generating thousands in revenue for some creators every single month. These products feel modern, clean, and help users stay organized. A win-win for productivity-focused buyers. Some creators are now bundling multiple digital items together. For example, a content calendar, caption templates, and a list of viral hooks, all in one theme pack. This kind of packaging increases perceived value and allows you to charge more, even if the individual files are simple. Now let's talk platforms. Where do you actually sell these digital goods? Etsy is ideal for templates, planners, and printables. It's a trusted marketplace with built-in traffic. Gumroad and PayHip are beginner-friendly and take care of payment processing and file delivery. Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia are great for online courses. For full brand control, many creators build Shopify stores or host digital products on their own websites. Some creators also use niche platforms, like Creative Market for design assets or Teachers Pay Teachers for educational resources. Each platform has its strengths. Etsy, for example, gives you exposure, but is competitive. Gumroad is easy to use, but requires more marketing effort. Courses on Teachable require trust and authority, but have high income potential. The key is picking the right fit for your product and audience. So how much can you realistically earn? First-time creators often start small, earning between $50 and $500 per month in the beginning. But consistency pays off. After a few months of refining your product and marketing, $1,000 to $3,000 per month is achievable. Top creators make $10,000 or more, especially those with large audiences or recurring revenue models like memberships. The real power of digital products is in scalability. You're not limited by how many hours you can work or how many items you can ship. Sell one template, or 1,000, the workload stays the same. And here's something most creators overlook. Digital products also open the door to collaboration income. Once you have a great product, others can promote it for you through affiliate partnerships. That means people you've never met can sell your product, and you both earn. It's one of the easiest ways to multiply sales without spending more time or money. Some creators even turn this into a full ecosystem, creating multiple complementary products and having affiliates promote them as bundles or series. That's how small creators turn into digital brands. But here's the truth. The market is competitive. So what sets successful creators apart? 1. They solve a specific problem. General products get lost. Specific ones stand out. Instead of budget planner, try monthly budget tracker for single moms or freelancer invoice and tax toolkit. 2. They focus on one niche before expanding. You don't need 10 products to start. You need one product that truly helps a defined audience. 3. Their branding looks polished. High-quality mock-ups, clean product listings, and mobile-friendly checkout pages can double your conversion rate. 4. They promote their products smartly. TikTok and Pinterest are top traffic sources for digital goods. Show how your product solves a problem. Use storytelling. Offer free value in exchange for emails. Build your list. 5. They learn from customer feedback. Reviews and emails are gold. Update your product. Fix what's confusing. Add requested features. Loyal customers come back. And here's another powerful tip. Use email automation to create a mini funnel. When someone grabs a freebie, send a sequence of emails showing how your full product can help them more. This builds trust, warms up leads, and boosts sales on autopilot. What people often get wrong is rushing. They try to launch 5 things at once. They underprice their work, they skip research, or they forget that marketing matters just as much as product creation. And don't forget compliance. Always be clear that your product is digital. Set up basic policies, delivery, refunds, contact. Be honest in your listings. And if you use affiliate links in your product or marketing, disclose them properly. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of consistency. Your first digital product might be good, but your third or fourth will be great. Each launch teaches you something new about your audience, your messaging, and your marketing. Think of it like compound interest. Every new product builds on your experience, grows your audience, and strengthens your reputation. In 6 to 12 months, you can go from a single Etsy listing to a full online brand, all from skills you already have. So how do you start? Step 1, choose a niche you understand or care about. Step 2, identify one specific problem that niche faces. Step 3, create a product that solves that problem better, faster, or easier than what's already out there. Step 4, pick a beginner-friendly platform and create your listing with care. Mockups, strong title, clear description, and optimized tags. Step 5, start marketing. Post helpful content on TikTok, Pinterest, or YouTube. Offer free downloads to build your email list. Share testimonials and behind the scenes. And most importantly, keep going. Your first sale might take weeks, but the moment that notification hits your inbox, you'll know it's real, and you'll want to scale it. Next week, we'll go even deeper. I'll show you how to build your first digital product from scratch, step by step, from research to creation to listing to launch. If this video helped you understand the power of digital products, subscribe for more in-depth guides on building sustainable online income the smart way.